How's it going, guys? How's it going? You see, I got my Chicago Bears shirt on. Uh, so I was really excited about the Bears really coming out and really getting their running game and the defense stepping up like they have, leading the league in takeaways and they laid an egg today, guys, and I'm kind of frustrated because Caleb, uh, all day he just did not have anything, right? But that's not the reason why I jumped on. Today is Sunday. 20 minutes ago, I got my books. I told you guys I got the books, but I want to promote this book right now, and then I get back to my other one, right? The Grant Writing Blueprint 2025, your step-by-step guide to winning grants and building sustainable funding. Subtitle: AI Smart Tactics, Funders, New Priorities, and Step-by-Step Workbook to Win Sustainable Funding. This is it right here, guys. Look at this book. This book is beautiful. It's beautiful made. I work with the publishing team. I work with KDP, which is Amazon. This is it, guys. This is the back of the book. Man, this book it feels wonderful, guys. I'm telling you, this book is one of the best books that I think we got me being an author, right? So I say we, right? I think we have about 15 books out there, right? So today I'm gonna talk about this one, but more important is what I want to talk about is Corey Cox. It was well worth the money because it helped me get my first grant. Using the tactics in this book, I was able to secure a $25,000 local grant. I avoid hours of frustration thanks to the author's strategy for funder alignment and compliance. It was written by someone who genuinely understands the process, and it is simple and easy. This is what someone just said. I want you to understand, $25,000 grant that does not have to be repaid. Think about this, guys. If you now I'm gonna shift the gears. If you want to start a cargo van and box truck business, think about that $25,000 grant. Guys, you can buy a used van and you don't have to pay it back. Now, every dime that you make is gravy, right? It goes in your pocket. Instead of you paying a car note or a van note, you just buy you a used van, and get you a extended warranty, guys, and you in business. www.cargovanbusiness.com. How to start a cargo van and box truck business. Together. You get the two books. I'm going to tell you right now, it's not what I'm saying. How to Start a Cargo Van and Box Truck Business sold about 2,500 copies. This book right here has been out about a good month, and we have 12 or 13 reviews already. Don't take my, don't take my word, right? Take the word of people who have. Okay, here's another one. Kevin Smith does a great job of describing the change in grant industry. The section on data-driven ideas and AI strategies was excellent. I was able to instantly apply what I have learned to actual proposal thanks to the workbook activity. Each page resemble practical mentoring. This is what someone wrote about about the book, right? Guys, I'm excited. I really am excited, not because my books are just came in. I'm more excited that now I get to help small business owners write grants that don't have to get paid back. And guys, this book, I'm gonna just tell you right off top, 145 pages. You pay about $16.99 for this book for 145 pages. Mapping the funding landscape, chapter 2. Part 3, strategy and stories. Chapter 3, crafting the core proposal. Guys, get the book. Get the book, guys. I'm telling you, I spent so many years creating these two books to help people launch, not start, but launch their business. Get the book, www.cargovanbusiness.com.